Good morning, children. Yes, children, in the last period, I have given you revision 2. I hope you have all solved that revision test. We will now see the solution for the same. For that, first we will read the paragraph. Khashaba Zada was born in a very poor family in a village called Goleshwar in Satara district. But it was a family that loved sports, especially wrestling. His father, Dada Sahib, was himself a wrestler. He had 5 sons. The youngest of them was Khashaba. Dada Sahib himself taught his sons wrestling. They were all very good at it, but the best among them was Khashaba. So, this is the paragraph. Now, we will see the question answers. Where was Khashaba Zada born? Children, we have to see the word born in the passage, and can you see it is given on the very first line. So, the answer for that is Khashaba was born. We will write up to this was born. Then there is no need to write in a very poor family because we have to write the place where he was born. So then we will write in a village called Goleshwar in Satara district. Up to this is the answer of question number 1. Okay. Then the next is, did Khashaba's family love cricket? So here can you see, here it is given they loved sports, especially wrestling. So his family did not love cricket but wrestling. So the answer is no, Khashaba's family did not love cricket. Then question number 2, circle the odd word out. So see first number, that is silver, steel, gold and bronze. So which is the odd one over here? The odd one is steel because the rest are the medals which are given in the Olympics. Now the second one is high jump, long jump, cricket and gymnastic. So the odd one over here is correct, that is cricket, because the rest of the games were played by Khashaba and he was not playing cricket. So the odd one over here is cricket. Now see question number 3. Underline proper nouns and circle common nouns. Children, we will discuss this topic of nouns after the completion of the solution. First we will see the answer. So we have to underline the proper noun. So the proper noun is Khashaba. Khashaba is a proper noun because it is a name given to a particular person. And Goleshwar is also a proper noun because it is a name of a particular place. And the word village is a common noun because it is a name given to the particular given to a place. Okay. Now we will see question number 4. Complete the following. So Dada Sahib himself taught his sons wrestling. So the answer is sons wrestling. You can see in the passage, Dada Sahib himself taught his sons wrestling. So this is the answer. Now number 2, they were all very good at it but the best among, the answer is, can you see here, they were all very good at it but the best among them was Khashaba. This is the words which you have to write to complete the sentence. Them was Khashaba. Okay. Now we will see the next question. Write the opposite from the passage. So I have already underlined the words. The first word is hated. So opposite of hated is loved. Can you see over here? The word loved is here. The next is worst. Worst means very bad. So the opposite of worst is best. Best means very good. Oldest. Oldest means smallest in the family. So the opposite of oldest is youngest. Oldest the biggest in the family or among the brothers, but Khashaba was the youngest, means the smallest among the brothers. Then the opposite of rich is poor, and the opposite of rich is poor. Can you see? Okay. Now question number 5 is a personal response question. Personal response means you have to write according to your choice. So what is the question? Which sports do you like? Now you have to mention which sports you like and why. So here answer may vary. I have given a model answer for this. You can write your own points. So I have written I like to play cricket because it helps to develop my physical fitness and stamina. It also improves my hand-eye coordination. So, but children, you may write the sports of your choice and reason why you like that sport. So, this is the solution for your revision test 2. Children, I have told you that I will explain you the topic of noun. But this topic we have already studied in first and second standard also. Okay, we will revise it today. Okay. Now the very first thing is, what is noun? So what is noun? Do you remember? Noun is a naming word. What is noun? Noun is a naming word. Everything in the world has a name, and that name is called a noun. So in this world, each and everything has a name, and that name is called a noun. Okay. Now can you tell what is this and what are these? So this is a bag, then a fan, drum and ball. So these are the names of things. Okay. Now can you tell what are these pictures showing? These pictures are showing mother, a baby, teacher, students, doctor and aunt. So these are the names given to the persons. Okay. Now can you tell what is this? These are the names of animals: lion, horse, parrot and peacock. So these are the names of animals and birds. Now the next term, can you see what is this? It's zoo, then garden, circus and school. So these are the names given to the place. So now what is noun? We have seen the names of different things. Okay. What is noun? Noun is the name of people, places, animals and things. So what is noun? Noun is the name of people, places, animals and things. Okay. Now who is he? He is a boy. Now what is the name of this boy? The name of the boy is Anuj. Okay. Now what is boy? Boy is a noun because we say name given to any person. So boy is a person. Yes. Now what is Anuj? Anuj is also a noun because it is a noun given to a boy. So what is the difference between boy and Anuj? When you say boy, it may be any boy. So we can say boy is a common noun. When you call, hey boy, come here, any boy can come. But when you say, Ajay, come here, only Ajay is going to come because Ajay is a name given to a particular boy. So Ajay is a proper noun. Okay. Now we will see another example. What is this? This is the picture of hospital. It is a place. Okay. Now again, This is a place of a hospital, but this is a Orange City Hospital. So here, what is hospital? Hospital is a noun because it is a name of a place. So it's a common noun. And what is Orange City? Orange City is also a noun, but it is a proper noun because Orange City is a name of a particular hospital. So Orange City Hospital is a proper noun. Now what is it? Dog. So and then the name of the dog is Moti. So what is dog? Dog is a noun because it is a name of a animal. And what is Moti? Moti is also a name of an animal. But when you say dog, it may be any dog. So dog is a common noun. But when you say Moti, a particular dog will appear in front of you. So Moti is a proper noun. What is this? Watch. Now this is a Titan watch. Again, watch is the name of a thing. So watch is a noun and Titan watch is a name given to a name of a particular watch company. Okay, so only when you say watch, it is a common noun. But when you say Titan watch, it's a proper noun. So from all these examples, we can say that, what we can say? What is common noun? Common nouns are the names given to things, animals, places or people which are of the same kind. For example, girl, pencil, park, river or city. In these example, we cannot say about which girl we are talking, about which pencil we are talking, river and which park we are talking. But when we see a proper noun, now what is proper noun? Proper nouns are the names of a particular things, animals, places or people. Now, examples of proper nouns are Tanya. When I say girl, it is common noun. I am talking about any girl. But when I am saying Tanya, it means I am talking about a particular girl whose name is Tanya. So, Tanya is a proper noun. When you go to the shop and say to the shopkeeper, I want pencil, he will give you any pencil. He may give you Camlin, he may give you Natraj, he may give you Apsara pencil. But when you say, I want Camlin pencil, so he will give you only the Camlin pencil. So Camlin is a proper noun. Then NIT Park. Now I am talking about a particular park. I am going to NIT Park. It means it is sure that I am going to this park. So NIT is a proper noun. Then again, river is a common noun. But when you say Ganga river, it's a proper noun. Then Delhi is a name given to a particular city. So Delhi is a proper noun and city is a common noun. Children, I hope you have understood these two types of nouns, common noun and proper noun. Okay? Thank you and bye bye.